Panalorin na please.
Meron pa 16.
The 10,000 worth of gift certificate. This is the final. Okay? 000.
Ayan!
What number? 000. 1. 7. Triples, uy! Ang ating singer and dancer, Russell! You're really the star of the night. Okay, congratulations! Lahat kayo'y panalo dun sa naman. Good news. Yes, sir. Okay? So, since nag-aalisa na sila, once again, thank you so much for celebrating with